397. 397. 397. 397. 397. Would you like to donate today? How many store-provided bags did you use today? 0. Your total is $19.85. Please select your payment method. Follow the instructions on the pin pad. Let us know how your experience was today for a chance to win a $1,000 gift card. Details are on your receipt. Please remove all items from the scanner scale. Welcome to Walmart.
You see the surveillance, the automation, the cameras. They could be facial recognition at some point. Automation. This is all part of the Great Reset, AI Technocracy. We're at the beginning stages. Keep alert on what's going on and try to protect yourself and your family. We're doing a lot on EMF radiation. That's one aspect. But you see the gradual changes. And we came across Clearview, I think it's Clearwater AI facial recognition. They've already created a massive database of people in Canada, and they need that database for the facial recognition. They're not the only company that's doing it. They're tracking all the photos online. They got your government photo, whether through the passport or your driver's license, so it's all there. Stay alert, stay on guard.